Good day, everyone. Today I will be showing you how to find a remainder when dividing a polynomial using the remainder theorem and synthetic division. So first, let's start with our example. So the problem is find the remainder when 5x squared minus 2x plus 1 is divided by 2x plus 2. Ay, ah, no. X plus 2 using a remainder theorem and synthetic division. So according to the remainder theorem, um, when a polynomial p of x is divided by x is x minus a, the remainder is p of a. So take note that our divisor is x plus 2. So, which means our our value indicator is equal to -2. Now let's substitute, no? P of x is equal to 5x squared minus 2x plus 1. So let's substitute the value indicator. This will become P of -2 is equal to 5 -2 squared, and then 2 I minus 2 -2 plus 1. So that will become 5 times 4, 5 times 4 plus 4 plus 1. So that will become, therefore the remainder is 25. Now, let's verify our answer using the synthetic division. So, so our value of indicator is -2, so we put it outside, and our coefficient is 5, 2, and -2 and +1. So first, we bring down the first coefficient, which is 5. So 5 times -2 is equal to -10. So -2 plus -10, that will become -12. So -12 times -2, it will become positive 24. So 1 plus 24, that will become 25. So whether we use the remainder theorem or synthetic division, we arrive at the same answer, which is 25, right? And so this shows that both methods are reliable, and choosing which one to use depends on what more convenient for you. So that's all for my report, and remember that math becomes easier when you see the patterns and enjoy the process. So thank you, everyone.